Ramadan is not lost in one big mistake. It's lost quietly. One scroll, one lazy night, one missed intention, and before you realize it, 10 days are gone. We wait all year for Ramadan. We say, this time I'll change. This time I'll be consistent. This time I'll get closer to Allah. But what actually happens? The first few days feel powerful. You pray more. You read more. You feel motivated. Then slowly, energy drops, distractions rise, and your goals fade. Here's the truth. Ramadan doesn't need perfection. It needs intention. It needs structure. It needs protection. If you want this Ramadan to be different, do these 3 things. First, fix your why. Why are you fasting? Not because everyone else is, not because it's tradition, but because you want forgiveness, you want growth, you want a softer heart. When your intention is clear, your actions become stronger. Second, make a simple daily system. Don't overload yourself. After Fajr, read even 1 page of Quran. During the day, keep your tongue busy with dhikr. Before Maghrib, make sincere dua. At night, pray even if it's just 2 extra rak'ahs. Small, simple, consistent. Third, remove 1 distraction, just 1. Maybe it's endless scrolling. Maybe it's late-night videos. Maybe it's wasting time in useless talk. Ramadan is a limited opportunity. Protect it, because here's something serious to think about. What if this is your last Ramadan? We always assume we have another one. But many people who fasted last year are not here today. So don't let this month pass like the others. Don't just fast from food. Fast from distractions. Fast from negativity. Fast from habits that keep you stuck. Start small, stay consistent, and make this the Ramadan that changes you forever. Start today, not tomorrow.